Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. My name is Khadija and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I cook chapati. In Swahili it's chapati ya Maji. In Indian or Pakistan I think it's a paratha. In French it's a crepe. Crepe, yeah, I think so. I hope you enjoyed the video and please, if you are new here, I will be happy if you can subscribe and leave on notification bell for the next video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you. See you next time. I'll use 3 eggs, half spoon of salt, 3 spoons of sugar, I mix this ingredient together. Then I add 2 cups of flour. I add milk slowly and I mix everything. After I mix everything, I mix very well until we're becoming smooth and it's ready for cooking. After 10 minutes, the mixture will be ready to cook, and I put a pan on a medium heat and I put a small vegetable oil. I put the mixture on the pan. I rotate the pan to make sure it's covered everywhere. I'll let it cook for 2 minutes until the bottom is changing to a golden brown color, and I flip the chapati to the other side to cook for 2 minutes. I add a small amount of oil. I make sure the other side is golden brown color too, and then it's ready.